send out the make and take to you.
Yep.
You won't get the gems, but you will get all the paper products and the envelopes to go with it.
Hey, Jean said I don't have that stamp set. So,
Ooh.
Jean, you have a chance to get in our giveaway. Hold on, can I show something quick
yes,
first?
Absolutely. Go for it.
So our giveaway is we are actually, I'm going to take maybe this graphic down.
You don't even have them labeled. How do you even know what they say?
I don't.
Is that why you click, 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 click?
Yeah. I'm like, oh, let's see, is it this one? So our giveaway, Mom's going to show you here, but changing our graphics so you can see it. So you have a chance to comment on 3 videos on 3 platforms, and that will give you a chance of 9 entries to get into our grand prize giveaway. So like I said, our videos are going to post at noon, 3 p.m., and 6 p.m. Central Time. You comment on the videos, I'm going to write down every single person's name.
Yes, she is.
On a piece of paper. We're going to put it into a bowl and draw the winner next Saturday, October 9th. So you have the chance to, you have to like us or follow us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, and follow us on Instagram on each of those platforms. So if you don't have Instagram, focus on YouTube and Facebook. If you don't have Facebook, focus on YouTube and Instagram. Whatever. And we will draw it all by hand next Saturday. And Mom here now is going to show you what our grand prize is. And it actually is the Heartfelt Wishes stamp set.
It is. Oh, imagine that.
Whoa.
Wow. It's like we planned it.
Weird.
Okay, sorry. I'm starting to get a frog in my throat. So excuse me. So for the grand prize, you're going to get this brand new stamp set. You're going to get a pack of the basic white note cards, brand new. There's 20 of them, so you can send out some fun cards to your friends. Rhinestone basic jewels. This is ours, but you're going to have a brand new real red ink pad. You're going to get a brand new eye block, and you're going to get a brand new Stampin' Seal. Yeah, so what's really cool about this is we made up some samples of what you could do with this. So now if you're a beginner stamper, this is kind of a good little kit to get you started. You can start stamping right away, and we designed it that way so that you could. And of those that are seasoned stampers, this is a great addition to your supplies. So
you kind of need these anyway.
Yeah.
What if your real red ink dries out?
Exactly.
There you go.
Exactly. So with these supplies, we did show some samples of what we made with them. We got the Merry Christmas, and we got a Cheers card. Now these are making the supplies with the grand prize right here. Happy New Year, your little envelope, and look at that, I rocked.
She rocked the stamp.
It's okay, it's on the envelope. It's going to get probably thrown away anyhow. At least it's not on the card. And then much gratitude on this particular one. So, real fun kit that you could get stamping right away.
Yeah, I'm so excited. This is such a great giveaway because this stamp set is perfect for the holidays that are coming up. But it also is good for, you know, they have a gratitude one, sending love.
Cheers for a birthday.
Cheers. Yeah, so I think it's a really good stamp set to have. So all you have to do, like I said, is you have to go to one of the 3 platforms, or you can go to all 3 platforms. Make sure that you're following us, liking, subscribing, and then commenting at least 1 time on each video.
And of course, we would love for you guys to share it with your friends if you want to. Let them get in on the fun.
Yeah.
Always fun to share.
And it's World Card Making Day, and the whole point of making cards is to share with others. So make sure that you share this with other people, because
we would love more people to join our community.
Yeah,
and have fun with
we're
us.
Friends. And that's Mom's still behind the graphic.
Oh,
what happened to
the graphic? I don't pay attention. I'm looking at them.
I'm seeing her over
it
here.
in behind the graphic.
Oh my gosh. So yes, that's everything. Like I said, you get the grand prize giveaway. You'll get, oh gosh, I'm having a hard time here now. The make and takes, if you do order with us, at least $35. But I do want to mention that if you do put a $50 order in, that's going to qualify you for our loyalty rewards, which eventually gets you a free stamp set of your choice. Exactly. So if you even just go a little bit over, like $15 more, you should be able to qualify for that. And we can send you the information so that way you have it. Here is the schedule of everything that's going to be going on we'll post this also on our platform, so that way you're like, when did they say they were going to post? Now you have it.
Yes, you do.
So, again, October 2nd is going to be the videos that we'll be posting. And then October 9th, next Saturday, is when we will draw the winner live. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's all we got.
Oh, it feels good to be back, you guys, honestly. We
Well,
missed y'all.
we're not officially...
Well, in about a week, we'll be back.
Yeah, because we're going on a crafting retreat next week, so it's kind of hard to go live when you don't have all your stuff and your computers and
But
everything.
we will be live for sure on Saturday for our giveaway.
Yeah, for the giveaway. I was like, wait, what?
What? Wait,
yeah,
what?
It's Saturday for the giveaway. We'll be drawing it at our crafting retreat.
Oh my
So,
gosh. Can I stand by you now?
yeah, you can.
Okay, good.
Yeah, we're matching.
Okay. Yeah, we didn't plan that. I came out and I'm like, what?
What?
She goes, oh my gosh, we're matching.
Yeah.
It's not a good color to be wearing around Charlie, you guys. You should see how big he is. You should go get him real quick.
Yeah, okay.
She's going to go get Charlie. He is humongous. He's about 9-10 pounds now, and he's 6 months old.
Yeah, he's only
Almost
6 months old, and he's like the size of a full-grown female cat.
Yes, he is a big boy. But, oh, he is such a mama's boy, too. I'm not kidding. He loves his mama.
He's like, what's going on?
He's like, what? Why are you picking me up?
He looks like a bird. Oh my gosh.
Anyway, he's getting so big. So, yeah, make sure you guys tune in and check out those make and takes, and make sure you place an order. We'll send those out to you probably after next week because we got to do the drawing.
And then we have to, for sure after October 9th, because that's when the last day to purchase is. And then we'll send them out shortly thereafter.
Yes.
Awesome, everyone. Well, we will see you in the videos today and for sure next Saturday. We hope you have a wonderful card making day. Make sure to join our exclusive Facebook group. If you haven't, post what you're making today.
Oh my God, we would love to see what you guys are working on. Take a quick
it.
snap, post it on there. It doesn't have to be fancy. Just show what you guys are all creating today. We would love to see it. So
Awesome. Okay, bye everyone.
bye.